excited to have you all here to be in great company of our incredible educators, your peers, and mentors from both the college world and the workforce.
I think all of this is just a great experience to have, having that interview experience, walking around, seeing all these colleges.
Going into workshops really made me think about what things I want to do, but also made me realize things that I really don't want to do.
I think it's very much benefiting my future. This past month, I've not really been sure if I wanted to go to college, and I was like, I don't think so, but then I switched to wanting to go to trade school, and I still have a lot of time, but now I'm looking at another school that I might want to go to. It's like college trade school mix. I didn't know much about them until they came here and I got to know more, and it's just really interesting, like all the different opportunities I could have if I just like pushed myself a little more out there. So very helpful.